Good morning. It's 4:30 in the morning and I'm waiting for my taxi. So, going to Lisbon today. Taxi arrives now, 4:35. Well, it's a little bit over 4:30. And flight leaves at 6. And going there. So I'm going to airport now. Taxi is here. Hello, and nice to see you again, now from Lisbon. It's like 10:30, I just arrived. 5-hour flight from Helsinki to Lisbon, and now I'm here. It's like 20 degrees, I'm melting. I was not prepared for this weather. But yeah, so the idea of this video is to show you a typical week for an evangelist. Now I'm being an AWS technical evangelist for a month and a half, and I've been traveling quite a lot. And this week I thought it was pretty interesting because there are two events that are nice and I want to show it with you. I want to show you what a technical evangelist does. So I want to take you with me to Websummit. That's the reason I'm in Lisbon. And also to the Serverless conference in London that I'm going to also give a talk there in both of the places. So this is the day that I will be 2 days in Lisbon and 2 days in London. So you're going to come with me. So here I am, walking to try to register myself in Websummit. Doesn't seem to be a lot of people yet. Let's see what happens when I get to the main queue. It's like midday. I imagine everybody already check in already, so it should not be that bad. I just had lunch in this crazy place. Food was not that good. I waited like half an hour for getting something, and I have to say that it was pretty bad. So tomorrow I think I'm going to eat out of the venue. The queue was too long for the quality of food that you get. Now there is 2 hours for my session. My session is at 4, so I will be chilling around and hanging out in the booth for the day. Today I don't have much than the session, and tomorrow I will be in the mentoring hours doing some moderation in Twitch, so it's going to be a little bit more active. So I'm about to start the mentoring hours now. Waiting for the time to start. I have like 8 companies coming for the mentoring hours in 45 minutes, so it's going to be quite hectic. But let's see how it goes. So they will be starting. I hope I can. Good morning. I'm in London in my hotel room. So here there's a map of London. I arrived yesterday in the night, so I was in my room like at 11 in the night. So today I had a good night's sleep, and now it's around 9 in the morning, and I'm going to the Serverless conference in London. My talk is in the end of the day, So I will be just chilling around and meeting a lot of friends because this conference is always good. There's so many friends and I'm happy to be there. So I will take you with me to the event and we can see what is going on. And this is my last event for the week. I will be flying tomorrow morning back home after 4 days in the road. So yeah, let's go to the conference. So the conference is over. I already gave my talk and now it's time to relax and have a dinner with the rest of the speakers and finish my business trip. Tomorrow morning, going back home, finally after a long day, long week of being outside home, so I'm kind of excited to go back home.